to me this morning. Is that my imagination?
No.
Okay, all right, good.
We're doing a little switcheroo today.
Yeah.
So temperatures, we reached our high temperature earlier in the morning of 47, and now we're starting to fall throughout the afternoon, all thanks to a cold front moving through. On top of that, winds are getting stronger, and that's making it feel even colder. So it's 45 in Central Park. There's a wind chill of 41, winds near 8 miles per hour in the city. We had our high of 47 earlier in the morning. I believe that was before sunrise. The average temperature is 40, sunset at 5:17. Temperatures are in the 40s, 42 in White Plains, 45 in Islip, down to 42 in Poughkeepsie. But check out wind chills. It feels like 33 in Newburgh, down to 32 in Sussex, and 38 in Islip. Sustained northwest winds range from 8 to 17 and even 21 miles per hour. Things are getting stronger as expected, and winds are gusting as high as 29 to 40. So it stays blustery for the rest of this afternoon and this evening. But late tonight through early tomorrow morning, that's when winds will finally start to taper off, and that's ahead of our next storm system that comes in late Wednesday through early Thursday. It's fairly quiet for now. Skies are mostly sunny. There are a few patchy clouds, but I am looking at a little piece of lake effect snow trying to push into Sullivan and Ulster County, so there is a chance for a flurry or two for our far north and western areas. But for the rest of the tri-state, sunny and dry. This cold front continues to move offshore, and there's high pressure well north of us, and that will continue to slide across the Great Lakes. So this afternoon, maybe a stray snowflake around the Catskills and the Poconos, but dry, sunny, and windy. Temperatures tonight fall down in the teens and the 20s. So tomorrow morning, we could wake up to a high level of cloud cover, but for the rest of Wednesday, just get ready for periods of clouds and sunshine. Temperatures will be much colder, dipping down in the lower 30s. And then late Wednesday night, that's when things start to change as the storm system approaches from the south. So snowflakes start to move in, snow showers pushing in overnight through early Thursday morning. And that's setting the stage for a very messy Thursday morning commute. That's because we'll tap into some milder air that's going to surge in across the tri-state. So snow will change to sleet and then change to rainfall from south to north. So this is how the timing and the precipitation type will work out. From sunrise through noon on Thursday, notice that snow and sleet changes over to all rain for most of New Jersey, the city, Long Island, but sleet and snow continues to fall north of the city in the Hudson Valley, the Catskills, and Connecticut. All of this moisture wraps up Thursday afternoon, but that changeover to plain rain never really happens north and west of 287, and that's where we're expecting the heaviest snowfall amounts, 1 to 3 inches possible, a coating to an inch of the I-78 corridor, the boroughs, Nassau and Suffolk County, and less than a coating farther south. And since we are expecting a period of sleet, maybe some freezing rain, icing amounts will stay below 1/10 of an inch. Today, temperatures holding steady over the next hour or so in the low to mid 40s, and then we slowly start to fall for the rest of this afternoon. Winds stay strong. Tonight, 26, clouds increase, brisk and colder, and tomorrow, cooling down to 33. Periods of clouds and sunshine, and it's not going to be as windy. But there's an AccuWeather alert, especially for Thursday morning. We'll have to drive through that wintry mix, 42, 41 and dry Friday, and almost a similar setup on Saturday. The only difference is the timing. It's looking more so like Saturday afternoon through Saturday evening.
I honestly don't know how to dress for this.
I don't know either.
Something's too hot, it's too cold, it's got to deal with the rain.
Just grab everything and just add as necessary.
Good tip.
Good advice. Thank you so much, Brittany. All right, still to come. A driver goes on a rampage, leaving a path of destruction on Long Island that ended with her car in a restaurant.
Plus, the local school kicking off Black History Month with a musical celebration aimed at combating racism, hate, and anti-Semitism.